Hello, marching pride of Lawrence Township, Ray Steele, jazz aficionado and producer at RTV6. Thank you again for sending some of your folks over to be on my noon newscast today. I really, really appreciate it, and it's going to be off the chain because, well, I got to see it yesterday, and you get to watch it on TV today or whatever form you're watching it. I just wanted to pass along something in case you did not know, and I suspect some of you do know. You guys have smart directors, brilliant directors and staff there at the Marching Pride of Lawrence Township teaching you the background of the wonderful music you're doing in your show this year, which I do love, by the way. The show is fantastic. But Minnie The Moocher, if you did not know, is from Indianapolis, or was from Indianapolis. As urban legend has it, Cab Calloway, Irving Mills, et al., who wrote Minnie the Moocher back in 1931, were inspired by Mrs. Minnie Gayton, an Indiana Avenue, or just the Avenue as it was known back in the day, legend. Mrs. Minnie Gayton was known as the Moocher because she mooched. She begged food off of people, restaurants, ordinary folks, and kept all of her belongings in a little baby buggy that she pushed up and down the avenue. Mrs. Minnie Gayton, Minnie the Moocher, unfortunately passed away when an early blizzard hit in the fall of 1951. She had taken up shelter on a porch and died of exposure. As the obituary, sort of an obituary that was written in the November 24th edition, 1951, of the Indianapolis Recorder, Mrs. Minnie Gayton died in the snow and was buried in the rain on Armistice Day, what they used to call Veterans Day. In company with John Playboy Gaddy and Charlie Elks 104 Davis, they arrived at Stewart's mortuary before 10 a.m. The place was packed and jammed with hundreds milling outside in the rain. Her beloved baby buggy stood in the yard with a floral tribute from the boys at the Oriental Cafe. They had a wonderful send-off for a woman who apparently was alone in her life, and yet everybody on the avenue knew her and loved her as Minnie the Moocher. And supposedly, that was the inspiration for one of your songs that you're performing at state finals tomorrow. Good luck, Marching Pride of Lawrence Township. Your show is fantastic. Can't wait to see it again tomorrow evening. And again, thank you so much for coming on to this station. And we are thrilled that we get to feature some of your musicians today. And anything else we can do for you in the future, you know that I am here for you and every single solitary band program in Central Indiana. Take care.